Testing, testing, testing. Hi there, guys. My name is Rohan Beve, and today we are going to be talking about knowledge graphs. Today we're going to be talking about what are knowledge graphs. Okay, so what is a knowledge graph? Anyway, it basically shows the relationship between entities. Okay, so what does it mean by that? Well, here we have what very simple knowledge graph looks like. There will be these circles which are called nodes, and the lines connecting them are the edges. Okay, now the edges basically show the relationship between those nodes or entities. Okay, inside the nodes. For example, let's say you have your Apple Watch or some watch, and you ask Siri, right? What is the capital of Canada, right? Let's say you ask that. It's Ottawa, right? And there's Canada, and it connects being the capital of Canada, okay? Now, the thing is, nodes can also can have relationships with multiple nodes. For example, Paris is a capital of France, but Paris used to be the city of the Roman Empire. You used to be a city of the Roman Empire, right? That's how the main gist of knowledge graphs. So some examples of knowledge graphs being used in the real world include search engines use them, recommendation systems use them, right? Question and answer systems also use them, and fraud detection also use knowledge graphs to work. So the benefits of using knowledge graphs include helping you provide context to data, helps in reasoning and interface, and also basically helps us understand the user's intent from the AI's perspective or whatever, right? Now let's try to make up our own knowledge graph. Say we have the prompt kid here. Okay, this is a node. Maybe kids like toys, for example, right? Maybe they like toys. They also have friends. Okay, I'm just gonna write friend as F. Okay, and friends also like toys. So kid has friends, likes, for example, right? Now, another thing they also might like is video games, for example, right? Those are this is basically like some small diagram, but these can also be bigger and help other systems and stuff like that, allowing you to understand the relationships and allow you to search for what you need to. That's mainly what knowledge graph is in a nutshell, and that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.